Hello guys, today we will see the metabolism process. So in metabolism we will see what is the meaning of metabolism, what is metabolites, and how many kinds of metabolism, and we will see some process also. So let's start. What is metabolism? So I will take pen. So here is written metabolism. One more term, this one called as metabolites. So first one, we have to understand what is the difference between metabolism and metabolites. So this one is process, means all biochemical reaction which are occurred in our body. So this one collectively, these all collectively biochemical reaction called as metabolism, and metabolites, these are intermediate or byproduct due to the metabolism process. So we will see first one, the definition of metabolism, sum of all biochemical reaction in our body. So these collectively we can say that metabolism. And metabolism here is the participation of biomolecule. So all nutrients, all biomolecule will participate for the metabolism, for the biochemical reactions. Okay, so in biomolecule there are again two variety, macromolecule and micromolecule. Okay, so there are two type of biomolecules. Macro means big sized molecule, complex type of molecules, and micromolecules means small and simple type of molecules. So we will see some biomolecules are there. For example, protein, this one macro, polysaccharide macro, disaccharide micro, monosaccharide micro, polypeptide macro, peptide macro, this one is micro, this one macro, and nucleic acid also macro type. So these are different type of biomolecules are there, and we can categorized according to size, according to complexity. So we will see the types of metabolism. So there are two types, anabolism and catabolism. So here is first one is catabolism. So we will see what is catabolism. So what is the meaning of catabolism? Here is if macromolecule, here is macromolecule, for example here is this one macromolecule, and this one convert into simple type of molecule in micromolecule. So we can say that this one catabolism process, and in anabolism just vice versa. Here is micromolecule convert into macromolecule, but here is when macromolecule convert into micromolecule, so here is release energy. Okay, so here is release energy, and micromolecule convert into macromolecule, so here is consume energy. So this one major difference. So here is a release energy. So this one energy ADP convert into ATP. In presence of this one energy, ADP convert into ATP, again ATP convert into ADP. So here is release energy. So these two process, catabolism and anabolism, both are simultaneously proceed. So one process will release energy, then second one consume energy. So both are interdependent type of molecule. So here reaction. So here is macromolecule to micromolecule, but here is these micromolecule, these will form macromolecule. Okay, so we start with some reactions, normal reaction in chemistry. So in chemistry there are two type of reaction. So here is one more. Here is degradative type of pathway, breaking type of pathway. This one is synthetic and building process. Now according to chemistry, we will correlate with chemistry, connect with chemistry. So here is chemistry have two type of reaction, exothermic and second one is endothermic. Exothermic reaction means big molecule convert into small one and then release energy. If release energy, then these reactions called as exothermic. If consume energy, then these are called as endothermic. So suppose here is, to example, here is any type of AB type of complex molecule convert into A plus B, then here is always release energy. So we can say that this one is exothermic. If exothermic, then in biology we can say that this one is catabolic process. Second one is A plus B. Then here is consume energy. Here is consume energy. So A plus B convert into AB. Here is complex molecule. So micromolecule will form macromolecule. We will take one biology example also. So here is maltose. Here is disaccharide maltose. So maltose convert into glucose, then this one also, this one is disaccharide, and here is, these are monosaccharide. So disaccharide, this one is split or cleave, or we can say that break down into two molecule of glucose. So we can say that this one also catabolic process, and here is also release energy. And if two molecule of glucose combine with glycosidic bond and then formation of maltose, then here is consume energy. So this one process called as anabolism. Okay, so according to energy, this one difference. Now next one, according to physics, or we can say that spontaneous and non-spontaneous. So we will see if energy is released, so these type of process always spontaneous type, and if energy consumed, so these are non-spontaneous. So we will see one example. If we will see in a spontaneous process, then Gibbs free energy always negative, and non-spontaneous process Gibbs free energy always positive type. So we will see, here is two diagram, here is one ball, here is this type of movement, here is one slope is there. So this one ball, no any energy or no any force is required, automatically this one will go down. So here is this one process called as spontaneous, and here is the direction is different. Here is ball from here to here, so here is required some energy, required some forces. So here is, this one is non-spontaneous process. So here is, when we see the Gibbs free energy always means delta G always negative, and here is delta G always positive. Okay, so we will see the what is the Gibbs free energy. Delta G is equal to delta H, enthalpy, and temperature, and this one for entropy. Okay, so with the help of enthalpy and entropy we can calculate delta G. Now I will give you one example of catabolism and anabolism, and this one example according to carbohydrate. So here is, I have taken two example of carbohydrate. Here is very simple one, glucose, and this one is a storage form of glucose in animals, so glycogen. So this one is polysaccharide, this one is monosaccharide. So according to catabolism, if breakdown of glucose, then this one called as glycolysis. So here is glucose break, means this one glucose have 6 carbon. So here is the formation of 2 molecule of pyruvate. So here is 2 molecule of pyruvate, and this one pyruvate have 3 carbon, but glucose have 6 carbon. So here is 1 molecule of glucose will form 2 molecule of pyruvate. So this one is breakdown of glucose, so we can say that this one is catabolic process, and here is also energy will release. Second one is gluconeogenesis. Gluconeogenesis, here is fat and protein will form pyruvate, and pyruvate will form again glucose. So again formation of glucose, so we can say that this one is synthesis type of process, synthetic type of process. And here is micromolecule will form macromolecule, because pyruvate have simple and a small type of size, because only 3 carbon containing molecule pyruvate, but glucose have 6 carbon, so micromolecule form macromolecule, then this one called as anabolic process. So here is pyruvate will form glucose. So this one have 3 carbon, so 2 molecule of pyruvate will form 1 molecule of glucose. So this one process called as gluconeogenesis. So according to glucose, catabolism, then glycolysis, anabolism, then gluconeogenesis. Second one example according to glycogen. Here is glycogenolysis. Glycogenolysis means breakdown of glycogen. Okay, so breakdown of glycogen and then formation of maltose and glucose. So this type of mono and disaccharide or oligosaccharide will form. So here is breakdown of glycogen, and here is glycogenesis, means again glucose will form multiple molecule of glucose will form again glycogen. So see, here is this one side, in this one side synthesis type of process, but here is degradative type of process. So if here is building type of process, then we can say that this one is anabolism. If breakdown type or cutting type of process, or we can say that degradative type of process, then we can say that catabolism. So here is written glycolysis. Lysis means breakdown. Here is also lysis means breakdown. If breakdown of any big molecule means here is catabolism. Here is genesis. Here is formation. So here is written genesis, means a new one molecule, new one macromolecule will form. So here is anabolic process. Now we will see in protein part. So if a multimeric type of protein after digestion convert into polypeptide, and polypeptide convert into peptide and then amino acid. So this one side, this one. So this one direction shows as a catabolism. And if amino acid again combine and then formation of peptide, peptide to polypeptide, polypeptide to multimeric protein, then this one process, here is increase the complexity, here is decrease the complexity, so here is increase the complexity, so here is required energy. All steps have required energy. Okay, but here is all step release energy. Okay, so I think you are understand what is the difference between catabolism and anabolism. So one more term here is according to chemistry and in biology. Here is in biology we are using for biochemical reaction biocatalyst or enzyme, and in chemistry mostly used catalyst. So what are the differences between these two type of molecule? These are biological agent, enzyme. So these are mostly work on room temperature, but catalyst mostly work on high temperature. So first one difference, and second one difference, these are biocatalyst and enzymes are highly specific. Okay, if a particular enzyme, for example oxidase, D-alanine oxidase, then this one enzyme applicable for only D-alanine, not for L-alanine. So these are highly specific. D and L both have same type of formula, but a particular enzyme is highly specific. But these are catalyst also specific but not highly specific type. And third one is enzymes are regulated but catalyst not. Okay, so these are three major differences between biocatalyst and catalyst. Hope you are understand what is metabolism, and I have explained only metabolism part. If you want to see the metabolism in carbohydrate and protein and lipids, so this one very big topic. So I hope you are understand, and if you are understand, and if video is satisfied to your desire, then please subscribe and